Hello guys, let's make this yummy pilau without pilau masala. The first thing I always do is to boil my meat, and I use a lot of water because later I'm going to use that broth to cook my pilau. Then in a bowl, I'm going to add cooking oil, enough cooking oil with a lot of onions and some ginger and garlic. Remember, onion is the one that is going to give your pilau color. I would like my pilau to be deep brown in color, so I let my onions cook to dark brown color. Then I'll add cinnamon and some cumin seed. I'm going to mix this well, and then I will add my meat, and at this point you can see how it looks. If you want your pilau to be light in color, then you can let your onions be golden brown. And then I'll add salt. This is a mixture of tomato, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Then I'll mix it well, and you can see at this point how my mix looks. Then I'll add my broth, let it boil, and then I'll add my rice at this point, and then I'm going to mix it, let my pilau cook in a low medium heat, and at this point my rice is ready. You can see the color of the rice. I have not used pilau masala. This is all the work of the onions. So the color of your onion will determine how your pilau will come out. I'm in love with my pilau. It does not only look good, it also tastes good. I'm confidently saying this because after serving my babe this meal, I asked him, when is your next flight back home? He said he's not going back.